Hi, my name's Gael, and I'm a project manager for KU Leuven KICK. Perhaps you've seen some of our projects via social media, our website, Toledo, or some other wonderful place. The chances are also that you've never heard of us, which is exactly why I'm showing you this presentation today. But before you get worried, this won't take that long, because we have gathered 10 things you need to know about KICK. If there's anything else, don't be afraid to contact us and just ask. First and foremost, our mission. We at KU Leuven KICK strive to cultivate an entrepreneurial mindset in all students and faculties of KU Leuven. The emphasis here lies on all. Being a part of the spin-off group at the KU Leuven Research and Development Department, we have the possibility to organize university-wide programs and involve all faculties so we can really get that interdisciplinary teamwork going and pull students out of their quote-unquote faculty bubble. How do we do this, you ask? Well, you might have seen this metaphor before, but it applies here as well. For us, entrepreneurship is much more than starting a business. Startups and scale-ups are the proverbial iceberg above the water, as this is something you can clearly see or understand when you're talking about entrepreneurship. However, there's a lot more hidden under the water. Among others, this is the entrepreneurial knowledge, and these are the entrepreneurial skills and competencies that you can develop and train via different programs and projects. It's a kind of skills and knowledge that we think any student or employee should have, as they are important for any kind of career, not only for starting a business. But why not show you with some examples? Product Innovation Project, or PIP for short, is one of the projects that KICK manages. It is a course for which a project sponsor, this can be a company, local government, or NGO, provides a real-life challenge that it faces today and for which an interdisciplinary team of students tries to find a solution over the course of an academic year. Because of the mix of students with different backgrounds, engineering, economics, medical sciences, social sciences, and so on, PIP is the ideal project to get a feeling of what working together on the labor market looks like. But it does not end there. Each team is guided by a coach, which are mostly students from the previous years, and their very own student PIP board manages the course together with KICK. So if you feel like you're up for it after your PIP experience as a student, you can even try to take on the more team leader-like role as a coach, or even managerial duties as a PIP board member. Even our PIP alumni remain very involved, as the PIP family is a very close one. How about another example? The Learning Garage. This is an extracurricular activity where you work on a fictional business case involving an innovative technology together with a mix of students. The Learning Garage gives you the opportunity to get acquainted with new and innovative technologies, even if you don't know anything about them or about entrepreneurship in general right now. This second semester program consists of 5 hands-on evening sessions where you will be divided in interdisciplinary teams and which will give you the necessary tools to start working. At the end of this program, you will have developed a business case concerning a specific innovative technology, and you'll be ready to pitch it like a pro as well. These 2 examples show you that there's much more to entrepreneurship than starting businesses. Nevertheless, we of course also offer personal coaching to individuals or teams that have come up with a business idea and who wish to already take the first steps as students. If you feel like you might have a great innovative business idea but are searching for some guidance, KICK is a place to be. And because we have an increasing amount of entrepreneurial students who wish to start their own businesses, we felt a need to also offer an extra program. That's why KICK started to organize the Incubator Track, a short-track coaching program that immerses students in the world of entrepreneurship for 6 weeks so they can take the next steps with their business idea. Together with like-minded students, participants dive into all the important themes that starting entrepreneurs are confronted with during 8 evening workshops. Next to the offline program, they can also count on extra online personal coaching. This way, they have the possibility to continue working in between sessions. 7th on this obviously non-exhaustive list is the KICK Academy. This is a collection of courses that form an academic curriculum that truly immerses students in the rather academic world of entrepreneurship and intrapreneurship. The difference with other programs, you might have noticed, but the focus here is on academics, as these are carefully selected courses from different professors and faculties, and which provide a strong academic basis for entrepreneurial students. While COVID-19 has shown us the possibilities of online meetings and teamwork, we at KICK do still prefer a face-to-face approach that we will gladly continue once this pandemic blows over. This is where Studio Start comes in. It's a cooperation with the city of Leuven and is meant to be a co-working space where entrepreneurial minds can find each other and work together. It's a place where workshops can be held, as well as meetings and coaching sessions. Closed for now, but keep an eye on our social media for when it reopens. Also, we had free coffee and tea, so I think we can all agree that's pretty awesome. Another program, yes, we do have many, is the KICK Challenge. The first edition ran in 2020, completely online due to the pandemic, of course, and will continue due to its success. It's a business plan competition with a focus on tackling societal challenges in an innovative way. This challenge is open to students, researchers, and even staff of KU Leuven, because we believe that a great idea can come from anywhere. If you apply and are selected, KICK teaches you, even if you have no prior economics knowledge, how to make a business plan and how to enthusiastically pitch it to an audience. Each participant or team also receives a personally assigned coach, who is a reliable information hub and a fast point of contact. Also, did I mention that there's a jury and that there are some sweet prizes as well? And last but not least, the team that's behind KU Leuven KICK. 5 women with each their skill set, competencies, and experience. While Marit is incubation manager and the primary coach for startups, Karen and myself are the project managers for most of the projects I listed before. Ilse is our communications and content manager and also our in-house graphic designer. And Tina is our overall coordinator. We're a close team, so chances are that if you talk to one of us, you'll end up meeting most of us. And there you have it, 10 things you need to know about KICK. Intrigued? Find out more on our website kuleuven.be/KICK. Got questions? Shoot us an email at kick@kuleuven.be. Thank you for your attention and have a great day.